Here we have a 2018 18-plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now I have black Kinegos, LED headlights, as well as black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear spoiler and rear diffuser, which are the M Sport package. Now I do have 20-inch alloy wheels with M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear, shark fin antenna, front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, and we have dual exhaust flush with rear bumper and rear diffuser. Now we do have XDRIVE badging and 335D badging on the rear as well. Now if we open the boot, we do have a nice spacious sized boot with storage net and tray on the left hand side, as well as 12-volt connectivity. Closing this boot back down, there's a quick look at that rear boot spoiler with the 335D badging and the XDRIVE badging on the back just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It does look absolutely superb from every angle. Just down here, by the side skirt extension, we do have the M Performance decals just on there as well. Going to the rear of the car, we have full Dakota leather throughout with ISO fixed points, pull down, leather armrest with two nice size cup holders. Then in the centre, we do have two vents as well as 12-volt connectivity. We also have storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat. In the doors, we have integrated Harman Kardon speakers with the BMW individual trim just there, with brush mat trim there as well. And we also have electric windows and Dakota leather just there as well. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which has extended thigh support if you may need it. Now on the doors, we have electric windows, BMW individual trim with brush mat trim there as well, and again integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down there we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, and as you can see we have the digital dash, and it's free from any warning lights just there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 29,770 miles, and again it's free from any warning lights on the dash. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter as well. We have voice commands as well as phone and your volume controls and your mode there as well. We have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. Just there we have auto wipers as well. Being a digital dash, you can change the look of it, so depending on what driving mode you're in. So in Eco Pro it goes blue with efficient dynamics just there as well. Comfort, it goes silver. Sport, it goes red, it's just a bit more of a sporty colour, and then again stays the same for Sport Plus. Now we do have heads up display, as you can see just there. Going to the centre, we do have satellite navigation as well as media connectivity, where we have DAB radio, go across, we have FM, AM, online entertainment, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors, the rear reversing camera just there. Now we do have phone connectivity as well, and then again with the different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, which is displayed just on the screen there. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. We also have ice cold aircon, two heated front seats for those cold winter mornings, which really does make all the difference. Now we do have the touchscreen, which makes life a lot easier if you're trying to look for somewhere on navigation. So instead of using the touchpad and the knob, you can just zoom in and out and also just scroll across like that, which is very useful. As you can see there, we've got the BMW individual trim there as well, with the brush metal there as well. Now I do have a storage tray just there. Open this up, we do have two nice size cup holders with the key just there as well. We have 12-volt connectivity. Close that again. We have traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, parking sensors. Pop this into drive and push to the left, you put it into manual and sport mode. As it says just there, it's currently in S, which is sport. Put that back into park. Again, we have the BMW individual trim, this which controls the screen just up there, as well as the touch screen. Soft touch leather armrest for storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers, a full Dakota leather front seat, again with the extended thigh support if you may need it. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. video test drive of this BMW 335d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm not fighting with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. Now I do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. To activate, simply push the button at the top and then use a dial and then go to the nearest miles per hour. Push up very slightly, it'll just by 1, push up until you feel a click and it'll just to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, press the top button twice and then it'll cancel, or just tap the brake and then it'll cancel for you. Now I do have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, so I'm going to take over now, mid 6th, 5th, back up to 6th, into 7th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over. Now I do have a heads up display, so it makes it easier to know what speed you're going when you're going down the road, so you don't have to keep looking up and down at the speedo. Speaking of speedo, we do have a digital dash, so if you're in sport it goes red, if you're in comfort it goes silver or grey. When you're in Eco Pro, it changes the dial so you have your efficiency dynamics, and it also goes blue. Now I do have very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, front and rear seats as well, but the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Now the 2 front seats also have extended thigh support, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now I do have satellite navigation in the centre of the touchscreen. We also have DAB radio as well as Bluetooth media connectivity and also Bluetooth phone connectivity. And we also have ice cold aircon, so for those really hot summer days it really does make all the difference. We also have Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for. If you read through the reviews, they are all positive. Now, if you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is a bonus when coming to buy a car. But right now, I'm coming up to an industrial estate, and I'm going to take a right, and before I emergency stop, and put it straight into reverse, just show you that the brakes work as they should, and so does the rear reversing camera and the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, make sure there's no cars, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera just there, and then straight back into drive, again no issues whatsoever. Now if you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions for you. And you can also book an appointment of you viewing or test driving your selected vehicle. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.